In the internet streets, there's only one language that Chef Rameish speaks fluently. Food. And we recently had a quick roadside chat with him. Now, if you don't know Chef Rameish, his cooking videos will certainly reintroduce you to traditional Jamaican ingredients.
Whole video to win something. We start by wash and peeling our banana skin. Why? Now, cut off the top and the bottom of it. Cut the banana skin.
He will introduce you to the unique flavors and beauty of authentic Jamaican ingredients. Now, he was raised in St. Catherine, but Chef Rameish is known to elevate Jamaican ingredients to international standards by experimenting with them and transforming them into exquisite 5-star dishes. Talk about an ice cream ackee. Talk about an ackee ice cream. Yeah. I know it sounds weird, but I'm pretty sure that it tastes good because
I've also added nuts to this. Amazing. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.
the man has a growing fan base on social media, so clearly his culinary creations are a hit. Alright, enough of me talking. Over to you, Chef Rameish. Just give me a quick second. I know you love cooking, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you like washing the dishes?
Alright, I would say 7 out of 10. Yeah? By default, I'm always cooking, so I'm always washing. But overall, yeah, I like to wash. I like to wash the plates. Mostly because I don't like a dirty kitchen.
Myself, I don't like dirty dishes as well. And you're speaking like a true Jamaican. Now we speak about dishes. What's your favorite Jamaican dish?
Ackee. But I have no favorite dish in particular. But I do love anything with my favorite fruit ackee, such as ackee and saltfish, ackee and chicken, ackee and veggie chunks. I also fell in love with one of my recipes, ackee and sea kung. Yes, sir. I really love the ackee. Ackee is my favorite dish in anything. The ackee and octopus. Yeah. I just add the ackee to the pot with some salt. Ackee ready? You know, say, octopus and ackee time.
Wow. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try ackee and anything that Chef Rameish putting together. Okay, so when you're not experimenting in the kitchen, what keeps Chef Rameish busy?
Alright, so I like to watch Netflix. I love to edit videos. That's one of the things I'm do. Most of them I have no business I do at the moment. I'm just sit down and edit and look forward for posts. Yeah. I love to go to restaurants, love to try out new food. And apart from my creative cooking, I love to just go experience what other people have to offer and just learn more. I love to learn. I love to learn something every day. If it's either reading, watching something, just being consulted. Yeah. I'm someone that loves to learn.
Alright, I'm gonna put you on the spot now. Who is your favorite Jamaican content creator?
I like to watch comedy skits.
Hey, hold on. I see what you did there. No? I see exactly what you did there. But alright. Which Jamaican songs are you streaming right now?
None currently. I'm more listening to Afro music right now.
We don't pass. Last night and I always say breakfast. I like Afrobeats as well. Okay, now Chef Rameish, finish this line. My favorite Jamaican movie is.
I have a lot of favorite Jamaican movies, you know, but most of them I can't remember the name. I remember some long time Jamaican movie I used to watch to find it real entertaining, but I just can't remember the name of them. Mostly are the romantic Jamaican movie them. They also have this YouTube channel named Richard Brown Films. Them always come out with some interesting YouTube video. So me sit down and watch them sometimes because they make me feel, you know, like this. Them say a lot of things and do a lot of things in the show where based upon reality. So I can say, alright, you know, I have a little laugh sometimes.
Alright, lover boy. So many women, I'm pretty sure many women are sliding into your DMs because they are already in your comment section. So, have you spotted a few admirers online?
Yeah, I always see my female admirers in my DM, mostly saying I should come cook for them. I also always come across females in person who ask for pictures or who tell me they're a big fan. And yeah, even yesterday I go up on the road, I see one of my female supporters them run come, say want to take picture and everything. You know, I always get that. I always have one go, female, I always tell me say they want to take picture with me. Male too, you know, some of my fans them, my supporters them. Female, yeah, I always get message from my female admirers them. And I always see some of them in person, I tell me say them a big fan, this and that, you know.
Alright, so there has been talk by other influencers that social media influence does not give you superstar status in Jamaica. Do you believe that you are a superstar, that you are a local celebrity?
I 100% believe I'm a celebrity, local and abroad. I believe a celebrity is not self-proclaimed, but is someone who is well known in the country and across the world.
Alright, get it right. Celebrity Chef Rameish. If you had the power to change a law in Jamaica, which law would you change?
The Firearm Act in Jamaica have a big limitation on recipients that requires them to have 3 years experience of holding a firearm. The thing is, someone might need the firearm to protect their business, family, or whatever it might be at the moment, and would have things at risk without protection during these 3 years. So I would reduce the experience to at least 6 months if I have the power.
Fair point. Congrats on your restaurant. Well, soon to be opened restaurant, Chef Rameish. Any 2023 bucket list goals?
Yes, thanks for the congrats. Yes, I want to open 2 more restaurants as well as have a wider audience. 1 million followers on TikTok and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube especially.
This is how we're gonna wrap 10 truths you should know about Chef Rameish. If you want to get more insights into Chef Rameish, other than his social media page, go and read the full feature. I'll put the link in the description below this video. Love doing this. I literally love producing and hosting this series, and I love engaging with you. So do me the biggest favor now. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell. Follow all the platforms where you see this video because you will get more reminders when I drop the next one. Alright? The next ones. Until next time, come reason with me.